Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to buy LUNC Classic on Trust Wallet. You can buy LUNC Classic directly within the Trust Wallet application, and here is how you can do it. Tap open your Trust Wallet app and also make sure that you have the latest version of Trust Wallet installed. If you don't have a Trust Wallet account, you will need to create one. Also make sure you have some existing cryptocurrency in your Trust Wallet to exchange for LUNC Classic. Popular option includes Binance Coin, Tether, or USD Coin. Once you have those, go ahead and tap on the Buy button at the top from the main screen of the app. From the Buy option, search for LUNC Classic or LUNC. Once you find this option over here, simply tap on LUNC and then go ahead and enter the amount of LUNC Classic you want to purchase. Specify the amount of money or the number of LUNC tokens you want and choose your payment method and follow through the instructions. And that is how you will be able to buy LUNC Classic within the Trust Wallet app. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.